Namaste, I Xavier Varsha Singh from Jyoti Vidyapit Women's University. Friends, welcome you all in your new semester, and I will be teaching you cyber security throughout the semester. I hope you will be enjoying my session, but at the same time, if any query regarding this my session, please comment below. I will try to resolve your problem in next session. Okay, so let us begin with our agenda of the class is we will cover in this session introduction part of cyber security, and we will understand uh, what is cyber security and how it is important in our life, and what is the term which makes cyber secure. Okay, so let us start with the definition of cyber security. So the term cybersecurity is used to refer to the security offered through online services to protect your online information. That means the term cybersecurity, where it is used, where we have to protect our online, we have to protect our data, because we are using our data on uh, internet, over internet, which is spread throughout the world, and you don't know who will steal your data related to your credit card, related to your debit card, and other uh, important information about you. Okay, and so it's very important to secure your data. Cybersecurity came into existence after the uh, online services started. Okay, so it will help you out to protect your data through this. Cyber security and information security differs only in response and reduction and prevention. It's everything is because cyber security and information security is the same thing, but only difference is that it has responsibility, and prevention is different. Okay, you can't consider everything is your cyber related security, and information is uh, your cyber. Okay, so here we have to give attention what what's the term which is came into our cyber, and what is the term which comes into our information security. Okay, so cyber security encompasses all aspects of security, like your physical, technical, environmental regulations and compliance, including third parties involved in delivering an objective. With an increasing amount of people getting connected to internet, the security threats that cause massive harm are increasing also. So, friends, cyber security consider everything: your physical, technical, environmental, and regulation. Okay, and in with cyber security, third party control your information. But if you are talking about information security, we have to keep um attention. You have to take care of your information, which is how it will be secure or not, and how information should be uh, post on internet or not. Okay, so information security is in your hand, but cyber security can be done by third party. Okay, so why cyber security is important? Our world today is ruled by technology, and we can't do without it all. Agree? Okay, from booking our flight tickets to catching up with an old friend, technology plays an important role in our life. So we can say that uh, technology handle everything. Technology handle your uh, flight bookings to your friend catching. That means you don't need to move physically. You can virtually do what do you want to do. Okay. So however, the same technology may expose you when it's vulnerable, and it could lead to loss of essential data. And cybersecurity, alongside physical commercial security, has thus slowly and steadily becomes one of the most important topics in the business industries to be talked about. Cybersecurity is necessary since it helps in securing data from threats such as data theft or misuse. Also safeguards your system from viruses. Okay. Why cybersecurity is important? So cybersecurity becomes important as business are being carried now on network of networks. Computer networks have always been the target of criminals, and it is likely that the danger of cybersecurity branches will only increase in the future as these networks expand. But there are sensible precautions that organization can take to minimize losses from those who seek to do harm. So you can say that cybersecurity is important where we are working on network, like uh, as take take example of your university. It is also called a network of network, because there has many computers which are connected to each other, and every department has different data and information, right? Everything is stored in your computer, and every uh, department is divided into different kind of networks. Okay, so they are trying to harm your data directly, because they got much information by one hacking. That is called cyber security, that is called cyber threat. Okay, and we have to prevent through the cyber security. So what is the objective comes under the cyber security? It's your first integrity, authenticity, availability, access, and confidentiality disclosure. Okay, let us understand one by one what the terms means. Confid- Confidentiality means the property here is, you can use the term information and your data is not made available or disclosed to unauthorized individuals, entities, or processes. That means the the information which is confidential, which is not publicly uh, public, that is called confidentiality. Confidential data has access only through the authorized person. Okay, so confidentiality refers to protecting information from being accessed by the unauthorized party. In other words, only the people who are authorized to do so can gain access to sensitive data. A failure to maintain confidentiality means that someone who should not have access has managed to get it through intentional behavior or by accident. Such a failure of confidentiality, commonly known as breach. Okay, now what is integrity? Integrity means the property of safeguarding the accuracy and completeness of assets. Integrity refers to ensuring the authenticity of information, that information is not altered and that the source of the information is genuine. Imagine that you have a website and you sell products on that site. Now imagine that an attacker can shop on your website and maliciously alter the prices of your product so that they can buy anything for whatever prices they choose. That would be a failure of integrity, because your information, in this case the price of a product, has been altered and you did not authorize this alternation. So can you differentiate both of integrity and confidentiality? So friends, in confidentiality, hackers, and you can say the attacker, cannot change your data, but in integrity can change your data. That is the big difference of integrity and uh, confidentiality. Confidentiality means they can uh, steal your only is sensitive data, but in integrity they they can change your uh, presence. They handle everything by own. Okay, and availability means the property of being accessible and usable upon demand by an authorized entity. Availability means that information is accessible by authorized user. The term availability means you can understand the thing which is required by authorized person should be available at any time. Information and other critical assets are accessible to customers and the business when needed. Note that information is unavailable not only when it is lost or destroyed, but also when access to the information is denied or delayed. Okay, got it? So these are the main objectives of your cybersecurity, and we have to take care of these three objectives through the cybersecurity. So cyberspace as a battleground. Okay, so let us complete this topic and another related to cybersecurity topics in next session. And I hope I hope you will in I hope you enjoyed my session. But if any query regarding this session, please comment below. This digital version 2.0 provided by Jyoti Vidyapith Women's University. And friends, I would also like to add some few sentences. I uploaded this PPT on your portal. Please check and understand what is uh, and how it's important for your in digital world. Okay, so thank you.